Hey traders, good morning. It's a few minutes before the bell. We got about 3 minutes, and yeah, I'm just fired up to do more with this channel, sharing more of my charts and the explanation of what I'm looking for. So I have three charts here for the NQ. This is actually the micros. You get the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 30. And what I'm really looking for is confluence on all three time frames for a trend, right? So here we're looking at the 30. You draw a channel here that I'm seeing. It's a definite um, bullish channel, and the same thing goes for the 5 minute, right? And now we're kind of having a down channel on the 1 minute, and I'm a little bit suspicious of all of this because of Powell speaking today, but basically I'm looking for 50 points if I were to go long on the upside, and a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So I'm kind of looking for a momentum play where I have a stop order placed ahead of the move because I just don't know when it's going to move. And I'm waiting for the open, and then shortly after, Powell's going to speak, so I probably cancel my order before that if it doesn't just start skyrocketing before he speaks. Sometimes that happens too. So just following the charts, and I might wait until after he speaks for it to settle down and see what direction it's going to head. But I don't want to miss the opportunity. I only trade the first 90 minutes from open, 90 minutes on. And I do a live stream in my Discord. So on my Discord, I have coaching, training, and I do live streams where I actually call out my entries, my take profits, and stop losses to the members before I take them. So no front running or anything. And I'm using Apex Trader Funding, an evaluation account. I have a $49,000 balance. I'm trying to get to $49,494. I'm trying to get to 53,000, and that's the profit target. And I have a $2,500 trailing drawdown. So in the Discord, if you like going with funded accounts, or if you don't, I kind of show you some strategies for that. So in this case, I'm a little bit behind the curve because I got too aggressive earlier in the week, and I was trading full-size contracts. So I'm trading 3 micros, but I have a $3,000 profit target, right? And I'm thinking 20 trading days is $150 profit target a day on average. But I don't have it set up every single day, right? So I have some losing days. I only take one trade, win or lose, and so I want to trade 3 contracts around 40 to 50 points profit target to get that $150 a day average, right? And so, yeah, let me just close that and focus on the charts here. But I do have more information on the Discord at the end of this video, so stick around to the end, and I have a little recording where I go a lot more detail about it. So right now we're just focusing the charts, and it is the open, and I'm gonna speed it up here until we get filled, or after the event I may, or right before the event I'll probably cancel and wait for some action. So let's see what happens. All right, yeah, sorry, the recording got stuttered there. It was after you see a big spike on the 1 minute. That's after he spoke a little bit. It went down and then it reversed, and now it's kind of trending down. And so I see a break in price on the 30 minute, the 5, and the 1, and I waited for an entry at a clear breakdown point where I can get my 40, 50 points at a really good level of support, right? And so currently that level is slightly below low of day, but it was really bad news. So actually what I think I might do is kind of trail my take profit down, or I could scale out. It's going to depend on what I see here. So typically I just leave my take profits and stop losses and don't adjust. So once I set them, I just forget it. So either a winner or loser. No single trade should make or break you. However, with the trailing drawdown on these funded or these valuation accounts, if your take profit gets almost hit and then it reverses against you, you have that much less drawdown that you have. So it's important to kind of take profits and squeeze the stop and the limit price the orders together, I found, and not be so strict on your take profits. Now when you're trading a cash account, or if you're funded and you have a lot of balance, then yes, by all means. If you don't have a trailing drawdown, I highly recommend just sticking to your guns. You know, usually your first plan is the one that works out for you if you just have a little bit of patience. That comes with discipline. That's another thing I cover in the coaching is been very good at discipline lately, and I wasn't always like that. A lot of ways to kind of trick your brain into being more a disciplined trader. That's kind of what you have to, at least what I had to do, is trick myself in a way. And so anyway, this looks like it's going to break down, looks favorable. So I'm just going to wait till it gets a little bit, kisses the lows, and I could see that it has a quick breakdown after that. It's usually kind of the way things go after the bad news, it visiting new low. So I'm getting ready to move that. Let's see, I'm gonna wait another second. It's about halfway to my target right now. Up about 150. Again, going for about $300 a day. I'm one and done for the day, win or lose. All right, normally I'd speed the tape up a little bit, but this looks really close to my take profit. So let me move that down. There, we're past my take profit, so I'm going to move my stop past my original take profit, and just kind of trail this thing down a little bit with it not giving me enough, no room to reverse. So I'm up 400. That's great. Now it's just a matter of how much I'm going to make, right? Tighten this up a little bit. 950 is a good area of support, so it could reverse here, and I'm happy with that. I'm up, I had a $300 target. I'm up 361 today, and I'm done for the day. So it's about an hour into the open, and I'm done. So I don't look at the charts anymore, no alerts. That's it, done for the day. And yeah, stick around to the end here shortly, and I'll tell you more about the Discord. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you want to learn how you can get access to my private Discord, where I mentor, coach, and train traders who want to take their game to the next level, then stick around for another minute and let me explain how you can get free access. What I'd like to offer you is a free trial to join my Discord. And if you like it and want to stick around, then that'll be available for you. So on this Discord, I'll be sharing my entries and exits before I submit my orders. So no front running or telling you after the fact. This is live. I will also be available for any questions you have and can be especially helpful when it comes to trader discipline. So I want to be your coach so that you can start to feel what it's like to win consistently at trading, right? You really have nothing to lose to check out the Discord. On top of that, after you join the program, I'll be sharing with you my chart setup and more in-depth analysis of what I'm looking at. So if you're curious and want to check it out, click the link in the description of this video. Just enter your name and email, and then you'll get a link to join the Discord. On there, there'll be more instructions on how to get access. So that's it. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in there.